Here we have a nylon stocking with a run in it. I'm going to cut off the top reinforced band. If these were full pantyhose, you'd also cut off the panty part. You just want the legs. And then I will cut off the reinforced end at the toe. So I end up with a piece like that. Just going to roll them up so I can make a slice down the leg. And end up with a rectangular piece of fabric like that. Then I'll fold that in half. And again, run my scissors from one end to the other. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're making plant ties, not a fine piece of art. End up with a piece like that. If you were using full pantyhose with the longer legs, you'd probably have a longer piece and you might need to fold that in half again and slice it, but end up with a piece around this size and then roll it up. And cut about every centimeter or a half inch. And you will end up with a bunch of plant ties.